Okay, everyone, never ever pull fire alarms in public buildings for any reason because fire alarms are not something to be messed around with. They are not toys. You only pull the fire alarm when there is a real fire, or if you have permission to do it for a fire drill or a fire alarm system test, or if you have your own fire alarm system at home that is in a controlled, legal environment where the fire department doesn't come. But if it's not for those reasons, you do not pull fire alarms. You never ever pull fire alarms for fun, as a prank, to get out of class, to skip a test, and to scare people. No, you don't ever do that because that is a felony. If the fire department could not be at a real emergency because you pulled that false fire alarm, people will die at the real emergency. Not good. So this is why you never ever pull fire alarms unless you really do detect a fire in the building. Bye.